there, lovelies. So I'm going to do a little bit of a different video for you today, and I'm talking about selling your artwork. So all the paintings that I'm going to show you in this video have sold, either on my online galleries or on my actual galleries. I'm lucky to live in a seaside town in Cornwall that has some amazing, gorgeous galleries. But most places have galleries. So as I'm talking, I'm showing you the packing process. I'm also lucky enough to have a husband that is a brilliant packer. Some of my reviews and comments a lot of them involve the expert packing that he does. So I'm lucky for that. But I help him with the packing. So you'll see that as I'm chatting. So I've started off with the packaging because the packaging is very, very important. It's no good selling a painting to, someone and then they get it and it's damaged. So you've got to make sure that the packaging is strong. Another important thing is research. You need to research the galleries, the online galleries, or the local galleries, and you need to look at what other people are selling their art for and sort of be in line with that. Don't sell yourself too cheap, is what I'm saying. So the advice I give you is that if you think that you have reached a stage where your artwork is nice and people are saying to you, oh yeah, that's nice, and you feel that's the main thing, never mind about people, just you feel that it is up to scratch, then my advice to you is to contact an online gallery. And there are lots and lots and lots of them. I've got 3 in the United Kingdom and 1 in Ireland. And then those are the online galleries. And then I've got the actual galleries in Cornwall. And my advice to you is to contact one of the galleries and say that you want to submit your artwork and give them some examples and just go through the process. The trick is this: if you submit your artwork to an online gallery and you're rejected, do not be disheartened. You've got to be a little bit thick-skinned in this business. There's people that will buy a painting and then say, oh, it didn't fit in with my decor. And yet they've had brilliant pictures and, they know exactly what the painting is like. But, you've got all kinds of people out there. The majority of the people that buy your art are going to be genuine people. I know an absolutely brilliant artist in America, a friend of mine, who was rejected by a British online, really one of the most, well, actually it was Artfinder, one of the biggest online galleries in Britain. And she was rejected, and I never understood why, but it was because they were cutting down on overseas artists. They were just, concentrating mainly on British artists. So, whatever country you're in, I suggest you start off by, applying to a gallery that is in your country. That's what I suggest. Because there's absolutely no reason why she was rejected other than that. Now, another thing. Everything you do, try to make it really good quality. Use a nice canvas, use nice paints. The packing is very important. Make sure that that painting gets to the destination in one piece. You know, touch wood, I have never had a damaged painting. Well, my husband makes absolutely sure of that. Um, if you watch the process, you'll see that he uses, the best cardboard. We always use recycled cardboard, by the way. Um, we're lucky we've got a surf shop that sells surfboards, and they get, the surfboards are large, and the packing that they come in is absolutely brilliant, like really thick cardboard. And they allow me to go and collect the cardboard, and we recycle it, and it's good stuff. So try and do something like that. Um, find a If you're going to do it, find a business in the area like that kind of thing, like carpet shops, and people that have a really good cardboard, because they're selling a heavy product, that kind of thing. So online galleries don't just sell paintings, they sell all kinds of things. They sell pottery, they sell collages, all kinds of things. And so it doesn't always have to, be paintings. You could be selling, pottery, you could be selling all sorts of things. And I'll put some pictures of the other items that I sell, other than actual paintings. You'll see some different items that I've sold. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today, and if you did, it would be lovely if you would subscribe to the channel. The channel can also be supported by pressing the thanks button. If you've got any questions and you'd like me to help you with them, with selling your artwork, put them in the comments. I'd be delighted. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.